Hello everyone, welcome back to Agape Love. In today's tutorial, we are going to crochet this gorgeous sunflower hair clip. This design features one beautiful sunflower as the centerpiece with 5 delicate strands of tiny crochet flowers flowing underneath. It's elegant, lightweight and perfect for parties, festivals and photo shoots. And the best part is you can customize it. So, let's start it. So the material you will need today is yellow yarn 50 gram, brown yarn 50 gram, crochet hook 4.0 mm, scissor, hair clip and hot glue gun or simple glue. We will start by making the center of the flower. So first take brown yarn and make a cross like this. So this is magic ring. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, turn it around, then chain 1. And this is the magic ring. We will work into this ring. Now add one more chain and we will work 12 single crochet into this ring. So for single crochet, insert your hook, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, then pull through these 2 loops. So like this, complete 12 single crochet. After completing 12 single crochet, now we will pull this tail very tightly because this is the main center of the flower. So pull it very tightly, and where we did our chain 2, we will work 1 slip stitch right here. This is our chain 2, work 1 slip stitch. And now chain 2. So our one round is complete. For the second round, we will do increase. After chain 2 right here, now we will work 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So this is our first single crochet into the same gap, second single crochet. So like this, we will do 2 single crochet in each of the stitch, and in total you should have 24 single crochet. So let's complete our round second. So 24 single crochet is complete. Now let's work 1 slip stitch where we did our chain 2 right here and finish round 2. Then again chain 2, and now we will start working on our round 3. For round 3, first we will do 1 single crochet, then into next 2 single crochet. Again into third opening 1 single crochet, into fourth 2 single crochets. So like this, complete our this round. So our round 3 is complete. Let's do slip stitch and finish this row. And then chain 2. Now we will do 4th round. For the 4th round, we will do 1 single crochet, then into next stitch again 1 single crochet, and then increase. This means we will do 2 single crochets and then increase. So like this, complete our 4th round with 2 single crochet then increase. Our round 4 is complete. Now just press it to give it a good shape and to have room for all the stitches. Then again we will complete this round with 1 slip stitch. And then chain 1, make a long loop and then cut off the yarn. So the middle part of the sunflower is ready. Make sure to just press it firmly so that all the stitches can look clear. And now we will work on the petals. For petals, insert your hook into any of the stitch and pull a loop of the yellow yarn and make sure to secure the end. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now we will work treble crochet stitch into next stitch. So yarn over your hook twice for the treble crochet. Now into next stitch, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then chain 1. Now we will work one slip stitch into these two stitches. Right here we will work one slip stitch. This slip stitch will make the corner of the petal. And then again treble crochet into the same stitch. And after treble crochet, chain 2, 1 and 2. Into next stitch, work one slip stitch. So like this, our first petal is ready. Let's make the next petal. For next petal again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into next stitch work one treble crochet, and then chain 1, one slip stitch, and one more treble crochet into the same stitch, then chain 2 and slip stitch. So like this, complete all the petals. Let's do the last petal and close with the slip stitch, then chain 1, cut off the yarn. And now press it to give it a good shape, and the sunflower is ready. Now let's hide the tail. So here I am using a smaller hook. This is 3.0 mm. Now let's hide this tail into these stitches. So this is the back side of the flower. Make sure you are not hiding the tail from the front side. So this is the back side where we will add the clip, and like this, please hide the tail completely. And now we will work on the small flowers. So make a magic ring. Yeah, crochet hook I'm using the same 3.0 mm. So first make a magic ring, then chain 1, and now add one more chain, and we will work 10 half double crochet into this ring. For half double crochet, yarn over your hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 3. So like this, complete 10 half double crochet. And then pull the tail to close the ring. And then where we did our chain 2, work one slip stitch. And then chain 1, cut off the yarn. So the middle part of mini flower is ready. Now we will work on the petals. So insert your hook in any of this stitch and pull a loop of the yellow yarn and secure the end like this. And now work chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now we will work 2 treble crochet into next stitch. insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Then again one more treble crochet into same stitch gap. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, then chain 2. After this we will work chain 2 and into next stitch work 1 slip stitch. And like this, first petal is ready. Now like this we will do 5 petals. We chain 3 and then 2 treble crochet into same stitch. And then chain 2 and 1 slip stitch. So like this we will complete 5 petals. Now let's do the last petal and close with slip stitch. Then chain 1, cut off the yarn. So our first flower is ready. Like this, make 4 more flowers because we will add 5 strands to the sunflower. So make 4 more flowers and in total you should have 5 flowers. So let's complete it. And 5 flowers are complete. You can see these are looking so cute. And now we will start working on the strand. So yes, again I'm using 3.0 mm crochet hook, and for the strand I'll be using the brown yarn. So with the brown yarn, first make a slip knot like this. Now let's do 40 chains, and we will make 4 strands with 40 chains, and one strand which will be the middle strand we will go with 55 chains. So like this, complete all the strands. So our sunflower, 5 mini flowers and 5 strands are ready. Now let's glue all of these parts together. So in the strand, this is the end part of the strand, and we will glue the flower right here. So let's attach all these flowers to the strand. I couldn't find my super glue, so I'm using a local glue. Let's attach this strand to the flower. And our one flower with the strand is ready. Like this, glue all pending 4 strands. Now all of the flowers are attached with the strand. Now let's make this center part more clear. Let's attach these strands to the flower. I'm using the same glue, so let's join this. And then in the end we will glue the clip with the sunflower. So make sure your clip is in the middle and glue it properly. And our cute sunflower hair clip with 5 mini flower strand is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you in the next video with more cute projects. So till then, bye bye, take care and happy crocheting.